Hey there, today we're comparing two popular peer-to-peer file syncing tools, Resilio Sync and Syncthing. Both let you sync files directly between devices without relying on the cloud, but they take slightly different approaches. Let's break them down. First up, we've got Resilio Sync. It's based on BitTorrent technology, which makes it super fast and reliable, especially for transferring large files like videos or full backups. The best part? All Pro features are now free for personal use, so you get selective sync, on-demand file access, and strong encryption without paying a dime, unless you're using it commercially. It's polished, easy to set up, and has excellent apps for both desktop and mobile, making it perfect if you want speed and convenience. Next, there's Syncthing. This one is completely free and open source, meaning anyone can check the code for security. It encrypts your transfers, gives you full control, and works great across platforms. Syncthing is lightweight and private, but it can take a little more technical know-how to configure. It's especially good if you value transparency and don't want to depend on a company at all. So, how do they stack up? Resilio Sync wins for polished usability, speed with big files, and easy mobile support. Great if you want something smooth out of the box. Syncthing shines with freedom, transparency, and zero licensing concerns. Perfect if you're comfortable tweaking settings and want 100% open source. Both protect your privacy by syncing directly, device to device. Bottom line, if you want fast, polished syncing with big files, go with Resilio Sync. If you want open source control with no strings attached, Syncthing is your pick. Both are excellent. Just choose based on whether you want convenience or openness.